What's the meaning of approving? Approving. Approving.
Approving. Approving. The term approving can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, it implies giving one's consent or permission for something, usually in a formal or official capacity. The result of approving can vary depending on the situation. It may lead to an action being greenlit, allowing it to move forward, or allows someone to gain access to a particular thing. Approving can also be used in a personal sense, such as approving of someone's behavior or actions, indicating that they are acceptable or desired.